In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Canva website after it has been published. Maybe you spotted a small typo, want to update an image, or simply decided your site needs a fresh new look. No worries, Canva makes this process super easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make changes to your live website without starting from scratch. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the settings icon. Click on it. When the settings menu opens, you'll see a list of options related to your account. From here, click on web domains. This section is really important because it shows you all the domains and published websites connected to your Canva account. Think of it as the control center for managing your live sites. Next, under web domains, look for the view button and click it. This will open a list of all the websites you've published with Canva. It's a simple way to access your live projects without digging through folders or remembering long URLs. Once you find the website you want to edit, move your cursor over to the three dots beside its name. Click those dots. That will open a drop-down menu with more options. From that list, choose Edit Design. This is where the magic happens. Canva will take you straight into the design interface for your published website. It looks just like when you were originally building your site, but now any edits you make will update your existing live version. Inside the design editor, you can start making your changes. Maybe you need to fix some text, replace an image, adjust the color scheme, or move elements around to improve the layout. Canva gives you complete freedom here, so feel free to experiment and make your site look exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with your edits, glance back to the top of the page and click Edit Design. Again, just to confirm your updates. But don't stop there. This next part is crucial. To make your changes visible to everyone, you'll need to click Publish. Without publishing, your edits will only be saved as a draft, and visitors won't see the new version of your website. So, hit that Publish button. And just like that, your updates will go live instantly. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit your Canva website after it's already been published. It's a quick, simple process that lets you keep your site up to date without rebuilding anything from scratch. Remember, keeping your website fresh and accurate is one of the best ways to make a good impression on visitors. Whether you're updating your portfolio, changing a product description, or tweaking your homepage design, these small improvements can make a big difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and happy editing.